Do you ever feel like living wherever you are and running away to an imaginary place in your head and just being there for a while, forgetting everything that is attributed to you? Somewhere along those lines, I was having a conversation with a friend of mine about going for an adventure, doing something totally, practically crazy, and he suggested hiking up to Gosaikunda. Life is this mega fragile thing, and we only get a nugget of time to pursue things that really matter.
First time, man.
I don't regret the treks that I've been to. I only regret the ones I missed. We are above 4,000 meters, I think. I come to think about it, life is like many things we want it to be, and it's also a bit like a trek. I'm having a mild headache. Nothing really fancy, but a mild headache.
I'm just not here, right? You know? Hey, Keshav.
One thing that I've learned from these adventurous treks is that although they are miserable in experiences at times, but are meaningful in the retelling, which, come to think of it, it is one of the reasons why we tell stories in the first place, to give the pain and hardships the meaning they deserve. And you never know, you might look back at your own life someday like a trek and tell some good stories about it. Like that one time how you and your friend went to a winter trek to a glacial lake just to make your own coffee and sip it by the lake.